Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and swatching K-Beauty Matinee lip crayons, and I recently got these from Nykaa Hot Pink sale. I've done a haul video as well. You can find it somewhere up and you can watch that if you've missed it. And I got these from the sale, and since the day I've got my hands on these, I have been obsessing over these. I really like them, and I've been wearing them every single day. Even if I'm not wearing a full face makeup, I'm applying these lipsticks because I really like these. So I thought, like, let me share a detailed review and also swatch them for you guys. So I've got 4 shades over here. 2 of them are the nude shades and 2 of them are the brighter shades. And now I'm gonna take you through with the packaging. So this is the outer packaging of the lip crayon, and on the top you can see the name of the shade, and also the color is printed here, and also the monogram logo. So I think packaging is pretty decent. I mean, like, there's nothing that I can talk much about it. It's fully detailed one, and also you get to see that these lip crayons are enriched with chamomile and marula oil. So that's how the lip crayons looks like. It comes with this white cap and white bottom, and the main body of lip crayon is color printed, also printed with the monogram and the logo. So there's one thing that is not really great about the packaging, which is the names of the shades are printed in a very tiny font on the monogram itself, and if you're not aware of this thing, then you probably cannot find the name of the shade, which is something really difficult for the consumers. But other than that, it doesn't really bother me a lot because I own only 4 shades. I don't have the entire collection, and I know what shades I have purchased, and I can pretty much identify it directly with the color of the body, so it works for me. But something that I really like about these lip crayons are that it comes in this retractable format, which I think is really great. You don't really need extra sharpener to sharpen them up, and retractable works pretty good for me. I really like something which is retractable because it's easy to use, and you don't really need to carry a sharpener along with this, right? So I really like these in a way of packaging. I don't really have any particular complaints from the packaging. These lip crayons retails for $7.99, which is a pretty decent price. I don't really find it really expensive, and the great part is that you can find them on discounts as well. I purchased them on discount during Nykaa Hot Pink sale, and I saved some money on that as well. So I mean, that's a great part if you're getting these on discounts. So guys, we are done with the pricing and the packaging part. Now let's get into the real deal, which is the pigmentation and the formula. So the pigmentation of these lip crayons is amazing. It's fabulous. I really like it, and it has intense color payoff. Also, these crayons are very buttery. They glide smoothly on your lips, and you give you that pop of color on the lips, which I really like. And the formula is also really lightweight. It doesn't really feel that you're wearing something on your lips. It's so lightweight. And this one thing that I don't like about the brighter shades is that they get really dry on the lips, and you have to wear lip balm before applying these brighter shades, because once they get dry, it looks really cracky and chapped on your lips. So I always wear a lip balm before applying these lip crayons, and otherwise the pigmentation and formula is fabulous. I really like it. So we are done with the review of these lipsticks. Now let's get started with the swatches, but before that, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Also, please hit the bell icon, and if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. And now let's get started with the swatches of these lip crayons. These are the swatches of the beautiful lip crayons from K-Beauty. I have got 2 shades which are from nudes and 2 from the brighter collection. So from nudes I have VRs and Fashionista. So Fashionista is a pinkish nude and VRs is a perfect peachy nude. And from the brighter shades I have Publicity and Entourage. So Publicity is a warm deeper red color that I'm already wearing on my lips, and Entourage is a hot pink, Barbie pink sort of a color, which I absolutely love. So if I have to recommend some from these, then I will definitely recommend you guys to have these two nude color. If you are someone who love nude lipstick, then you got to have two nudes, one from pink family and one from the peachy nude family. From the pink family, I will definitely recommend Fashionista. It's a really beautiful pinkish nude, and VRs, which is a beautiful peachy nude, and it's so different. I really don't have such peachy nude color because it's really warm and very beautiful color, works good, and you know, these colors are fabulous for the Indian skin tone. So I will definitely recommend these two shades from the nude collection. So, and from the brighter collection, I will definitely recommend Entourage, which is a hot pink color, because I really like pink colors, and this is a color which will add pop of color on your lips. And if you're wearing a simple outfit, one lipstick will, you know, amp up your whole look and make you look really put together and ready. This color looks really fresh and very bright. It's sort of like, you know, boost your whole look and your makeup and your confidence. So absolutely would recommend Entourage to you from the brighter collection. So that's it, guys. This was my take on the K Beauty Matinee Lip Crayon lipsticks. I hope you guys like the review and the swatches, and if so, then please give a thumbs up to my video. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and now I will see you in the another video. Till then, take care. Bye.